Just going to crack open a box of Garbage Pail Kids Sapphire. Here we go, bud. Good luck, good luck. May the Papa Giorgio 101 be with you. Alright, double heather. Sicky Vicky. The Art Gallery and Geeky Gary. Janet Planet. We have Matt Rat, Mad Max, and Dizzy Dave. Dressy Jesse, Oliver Twisted, Harry Carey, and Busted Bob. Spacey Stacy, Ancient Annie, Chili Millie, and Nervous Rex. Next up is Tommy Gun, Ventilated Vinny, Frying Ryan, and Itchy Richie. Right, where are these numbered cards at? Come on. Where are the numbered ones at? Tattooed Lou, Scary Carrie. And we have a Wrinkly Randy and Graffiti Petey number 225 orange. Graffiti Petey 225. No, I had a card in here. There's another Graffiti Petey. Wacky Jackie. Sicky Vicky and Live Mike. Dead Ted, Mona Loser, Cyclops, and Ancient Annie. What is number 299? Alright, I appreciate it, bud. I will get all this stuff packed up and shipped out as soon as I can make it to the warehouse.